Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to teach you how to assemble an industrial electrical panel. This electrical panel includes 8 single-phase electric motors and 2 3-phase electric motors. The first part of the electrical panel assembly is the installation of rails and ducts, which is done in this way. Stay with me. This distance is 13 centimeters and this distance is 18 centimeters. Now it's time to install the equipment. This electrical panel has 3 RCCB switches, each of which is connected to the 2 miniature switches. A phase controller is installed next to these 3 keys, which send a warning message if one of them is disabled. We install 5 miniature switches here. We also install a 3-phase RCCB switch which is connected to 2 contactors. And for that, we install a phase controller to prevent 2 phases of electric motors. Now we install 2 miniature switches for each of the RCCB switches. Now we install 2 contactors for 3-phase electric motors. We also install a current controller for each electric motor to protect the electric motor from excess current. Now we install the main terminals of the electrical panel. CT electricity enters the electrical panel from the red terminals. This electricity consists of 3-phase wires and 1 null wire. When we install the necessary electrical terminals, in emergency situations, electricity enters the electrical panel from these 4 terminals. Now we install the output terminals from single-phase electric motors. Both output terminals have a common null, and this common null is the related RCCB is connected. Now we install two single-phase outputs for the top row miniature switch. Now we will install the output terminals from three-phase electric motors. And finally, we install the alarm output terminals. By connecting the alarm to these two terminals, when the power is cut off, these terminals are organized and the alarm sounds. In this section, we do the wiring of the emergency switch. The phases enter the switchboard from this place, and the phases from the city electricity enter here, and the phases from the emergency electricity enter here. City electricity is connected here, and emergency electricity is connected here. And from here, the electricity enters the electrical panel. Now install the switch in its place. If the switch is set to position 1, city electricity enter the electrical panel. And if the switch is set to position 2, emergency power enter the electrical panel. City electricity enter the electrical panel from the red terminals, and the emergency electricity enters the electrical panel from the gray terminal.